We are here at Ryan International School, Sanpada to meet someone very special. Imagine 1.5 lakh aspirants giving the exam, and you are shining among the top 100. Yes, we are speaking about Master Atharva Tambert, who secured AIR rank 1 in JEE Mains, and Master Joel Paul, who secured AIR rank 95 in JEE Advanced exams. Let's meet them and ask them their secret behind this success.
All of us at Ryan Group, on behalf of Chairman Sir Dr. F. Pinto and Managing Director Madam Grace Pinto, it is my joy and privilege to congratulate Atharva and Joel. Atharva is the first ranker, all India rank for JEE 1, first rank, and we are elated and excited, and I can't even tell you how amazing this incredible achievement is. And Ryanites are young queens and kings in the making, and they have shown that they are no less, they are overcomers, and they have shown that they can, they will, and they must be winners. And here it is. This is our joy to have been a part of their lives. Karthik has been a Ryanite throughout, Atharva and Joel with us this past few years, and we're just grateful to God for them.
I'd like to thank the Managing Director Madam and the Chairman Sir for giving me the opportunity to study in this school. And I would also like to thank Snehal Miss also for participating in us today and honoring me. I'd like to thank the Ryan community for my success. Now, I'll enter a new phase in my life, and I promise to carry the Ryan values and make everyone proud of whatever I do in my life.
Congratulations, Atharva. You scored AIR rank 1 in JEE Mains. What is the secret to this success?
There is no secret ingredient as such. It's just put in your hard work daily. I think solve a lot of practice tests. Just make your concepts clear. That's all.
I used to practice a lot, and practice makes a man perfect. That's a basic quote that you might have heard. I think everyone might have heard that quote. And for me, that worked a lot. And with practice, I also used to do some other activities which made my day very efficient. It made my studies very efficient. For me, it was gaming. I used to game a lot. I was kind of addicted to it, but I eventually got over the addiction. The secret was to convert that addiction to opportunity or to boon. What I did was, for 2 months, I used to study continuously. And then for the I was exhausted, and then for the next 10 days I used to play. By this way, I kept my focus, I kept my efficiency up, and overall it helped me a lot during this 2 to 3 years of preparation.
Who do you look up to as an inspiration?
Ryan fraternity is what I look up to as my inspiration.
Ma'am Grace Pinto has been my inspiration.
What will your message be to all those young Ryanites out there?
Follow your passion and do your best, because if you do follow your passion, I believe you can achieve whatever you want.
Do not focus on the result, rather focus on the process. Focusing on the result will put undue pressure. So focusing on the process is more important.
Sir, ma'am, you must be so proud. Can you please share your thoughts with us?
We give full freedom for Joel, for studies
any
and
tension.
everything. We have no pressure or compulsion for his studies.
As a parent, I feel extremely proud on the achievement of my son. But I feel it is only the first step, the stepping stone in his life, and there is much more to look forward to.
And what are your future plans?
I'm planning on to pursue electrical engineering in IIT Bombay, and then I'll do masters most probably in abroad in automotive engineering.
I plan to pursue electrical dual degree from IIT Bombay or electrical BTech 4 year from IIT Delhi. And as of now, I want to do MS abroad.
What are your most memorable moments about school?
For me, it was the assembly in which we used to sing and dance.
The assemblies we used to have on Fridays were the most memorable moments. I enjoyed the assemblies a lot.
It was so wonderful and inspiring to meet these young Ryanites and be a part of the celebration of their great achievement today. They are truly an inspiration to all of us, someone who made their parents, their alma mater, and all of us so proud. If you want to follow their footsteps, buckle down and follow their advice. It is definitely going to be hard, but hard does not mean impossible. On that note, this is YJ Disha Agarwal from RAN International School, Sanpada, signing off for Young Journals.